Welcome back. Here's the community updates on August 10th. Grand Rapids Police Chief Eric Payne will be retiring in early 2022. His retirement comes after more than 3 decades with the department and assuming duties as its chief in 2019. Payne cited more time with his family and progress on his position goals within the Grand Rapids Police Department as reasons for retirement. He also reiterated his intention for his assignment to last no longer than 5 years. Payne informed City Manager Mark Washington of his retirement plans prior to his public announcement, according to the City of Grand Rapids. Washington, in a statement, said he believes Payne has positioned the GRPD and City well heading into the future. He also noted that a process for filling the police chief position will be announced in the coming months. City police reform efforts instituted during Payne's tenure are presented in the GRPD's 2021 through 23 strategic plan. Face coverings will not be required this fall for students of Grand Rapids Public Schools and Kent ISD. Both provided public statements on their use in response to new CDC recommendations around the COVID-19 Delta variant. While not required, GRPS and Kent ISD are both strongly recommending face covering use indoors for students, staff, and visitors to their schools, regardless of vaccination status. The recommendations are part of a broader pandemic-related guidelines for the start of the school year, with both districts returning to 100% in-person learning. Kent ISD is recommending vaccination for those who are eligible. Currently, federally authorized vaccines for the virus are for people aged 12 and older. More details about the GRPS and Kent ISD's pandemic-related guidelines for the upcoming school year are available on their websites. The Rapidian encourages local residents to share their own stories related to civic, economic, and public health developments in the Grand Rapids area on the Rapidian's platform. Check out this week's featured articles on the Rapidian's homepage and to get started as a community reporter by visiting therapidian.org/write. This video is supported by the Michigan Council for Arts and Cultural Affairs, the Lowell Arts Center, and the National Endowment for the Arts. This update is brought to you by the Rapidian, GRTV, and the Grand Rapids Community Media Center. Take care.